integrate 2t times the square root of t plus 2 dt. All right, so in this situation, we have an integral that's slightly more complex than just our basic rules of integration. So we likely need to use substitution. So let's pick the obvious thing for our substituting factor, which is the part that is an inner function, so the t plus 2. Well, for substitution to work, what we need is the derivative of that to look like another part of our uh, function. So the derivative of t plus 2 is just dt. The problem with that is when I substitute, I've got 2t, because nothing here is to substitute for the t, times the square root of u du. But I can't have these variables mixed this way. What I need to do is come up with some means of getting all the variables into the function u. Now here's the thing. This is a process called back substitution. So what happens in back substitution is you take this function here and you find the inverse of this function. And what that means is just solve the function for the other variable. And that's relatively simple in this case. So if I subtract 2 from both sides, I have t equals u minus 2. What that allows me to do is substitute for that extra value of t. So this now becomes the integral of 2 times u minus 2 times the square root of u du. So everything's in terms of u. Now we just need to simplify so that we can integrate. So let's pull the 2 out, and then I have the square root of u times the quantity u minus 2. So this would be u to the 3 halves minus 2u to the 1 half du, which is 2, and u to the 3 halves becomes u to the 5 halves divided by 5 halves, minus 2 times u to the 3 halves divided by 3 halves, then plus c. So then I have 4/5 and u to the 5 halves, and that the 4/5 comes from multiplying in the 2 here. Oh, I meant to switch colors there. So, and then I also am going to multiply the 2 in over here. So this is 4/5 for this first fraction. I'll tell you what, let's do this. 4/5 u to the 5 halves. Then it's going to be minus 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 halves is going to be 8/3 u to the 3 halves plus c. And all I have to do now is just substitute u for right back to where we started, the variable t, which is t plus 2. And there we have it.